Hello everyone, and welcome back. Every couple of years I get a dumpster in here because so much crap gets built up around the workshop from all the projects and stuff you're collecting inside the garage and everything. Thought I better start filming before it started really raining because I'm cleaning out the workshop.
We have water bottles, canned food, and t-shirts.
I just want to bring Joey back to
People were living in because there's no shelter.
Magana had planned to open a boxing gym for
Okay everyone, well everything is in disarray here. Everything's pulled out, getting cleaned up. That's all I'm doing for today. I'll come back out here tomorrow. Okay everyone, well it's been a few days, almost a week since I was last filming out in the workshop. I ran up to the tent for a couple of days. In fact, that's the next video I'm going to be editing. But the workshop has all been pretty much cleaned up. It's ready for the cold season and the winter workshop projects. It's amazing how much junk was in here. Even in here that was so packed with stuff, it looks a lot better. I know I showed this about once a year. Usually it's when the workshop gets cleaned. This is the wood-fired cook stove that'll go into the cabin once I take down the tent. Let me pull this stuff up and we can take a peek at it again. I haven't seen it myself for a while. She's for sure a nice looking stove, and that's a true wood burner. Everything is in pretty good shape. It's got the warming oven up on top. Water reservoir on the side. It's just waiting for a cabin to put it in. It'll happen eventually. Well, like I said, everything is all cleaned up. Even back here, everything got all cleaned up pretty much. Everything is in its right place. All my milled lumber is stacked up. In fact, the end of this month, heading out to western Minnesota and getting another load of the eastern red or aromatic cedar for projects. Probably slip that in right over there. And I'm pretty sure they're going to come probably and pull the dumpster out tomorrow. Thanks a lot for watching, everybody. I'll see you guys on the next video.